Lesson 2, Population and Community. Hello, I am glad you joined today's class. You are warmly welcome. I want you to realize that for you to grasp the subject matter of ecology, there are some commonly used concepts that you must master. We shall be discussing two very important ones among them in today's class. Do enjoy the class. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to list at least 5 ecological concepts. Define 3 out of them as they are used in ecology. Then explain how population is related to community and list the 8 factors that affect the population in an habitat. Population, climate, community, and community. I have here a pictorial representation of 10 common concepts of ecology. Take a close look at them as we shall be discussing them in some detail, beginning with the population and community next. Ecological concept. Population is defined as the total number of organisms of the same species living together in a given area. For example, the total number of tilapia fish in a pond constitutes the population of tilapia in that environment. Populations in a given habitat may show changes in size or distribution. These changes may be natality, birth rate. Increase in birth rate, especially during breeding periods, leads to increase in population size, while decrease in birth rate results in decrease in population. Mortality, death rate. This refers to the rate at which organisms die. An increase in death rate leads to decrease in population and vice versa. Immigration. This is the movement of organisms from different habitats into a particular habitat. This increases the population size of the habitat being moved into. Emigration. It is the movement of organisms out of the habitat and it leads to decrease in population. Emigration may be caused by scarcity of food, unfavorable conditions, seasonal climate changes, or breeding purposes. Availability of food. An abundance of food in an habitat tends to lead to an increase in the population of organisms due to increase in birth rates and influx of organisms from other areas and vice versa. Seasonal climate changes. Adverse climate changes may lead to a decrease in number of organisms due to death or immigration. Favorable conditions lead to an increase in population. Breeding season. Some organisms move out of their habitat during this season, e.g. fish, hence the population drops. Natural disasters like fire, droughts, floods, earthquakes, etc. leads to a decrease in population through the death of organisms out of such habitats. Community. Community refers to all organisms belonging to different species that interact in the same habitat. A community, therefore, is made up of populations. Climate community. Climate community is established when a stable or unchanging community is attained in ecological succession. The community is in equilibrium with the environment. The vegetation reaches its highest development. The same species of animals, plants, or organisms reoccurring from year to year. In this lesson, you have learned that a population is a group of individuals that belongs to a particular species living in a particular geographical area at a particular time. A community comprises of 2 or more populations living in the same geographical area at a particular time. And among the factors that affect the population in any given habitat are natality, mortality, emigration, and among others. Attempt this quick test orally to help you recall what you have learned in this lesson. 1. What do you understand by the following terms? Climax community. Population. How is population related to the community? This is where we draw the curtain for today. I will see you in the next class. Stay blessed.